171. 171. George.
171, my apologies, Mr. J. My apologies, brother. 171. 171. Well, you're 5 and 7, J. 57 back here. 171. Go ahead.
Hey, you're making a big noise, mate. You're making a big noise in Australia. You're doing vertical antenna, mate. Good on ya.
I'm the big noise in Australia. Oh, thank you for your flowers, Mr. J. Thank you for your flowers, brother.
You keep making all that noise, mate. We're going to keep all the rabbits awake.
Yeah, keep on making that noise. I was told I was a noisy baby, J. Well, I'll put my power up a wee bit more if you want out there, J. I can take it away up to about 7,000, over.
Yeah, Roger, George, all right. Someone on the upper side. They should have given to the upper side of the channel. I'm not sure. Bit of interference. Hey, 444. 171. Catch him by my.
Thank you very, very much, Jay. I don't need to put any more up. Hi. What a laugh, brother. Outstanding. Absolutely out. Well, some of the reports I've been getting from us feel we're all double figures, Jay. So it doesn't surprise me, brother. The amplifier's working amazing. The new amplifier, the 2020 by ACOM there, Jay. The 2020 by ACOM is working absolutely super. Thank you, Mr. J. All the best, brother. 171. 171 out there. Thank you, brother. 444. Good morning, Jay.
Okay, George, we'll catch you later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, buddy. Bye-bye. Telephone call, Jay. All the best, brother.